A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Make me ask you one serious question. You know we are going to happen tomorrow? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And you see, if you're not subscribed yet, go do it now. No? Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself. Today, I'm going to read from the letter from James chapter 4 from verse 11 to verse 17. My brother and sister, not talk bad sitting about one another. If you do that, or judge people and go on like say God can't pardon them, you say God law no good. And if you say the law no good, you go on like say you a judge over the law. But a uncle want somebody give the law, and him are the uncle judge. Him can save people and him can send them go dead too. So, who no think gonna be fear judge nobody? No. Listen to me. All I wanna we say today or tomorrow we are gonna work for 1 year in that town, yeah, or in that town there and make some money. But we don't know about tomorrow. We don't even know how no life are gonna go tomorrow. Or the life come in just like fog. The fog come down for a little bit, and then as the sun come out, so the fog just disappear. So, on a sound of a talk, when if it say, if the Lord want we to do this, or if the Lord want we to do that, then we will live and do this or do that. But we don't boast and a brag about phone plan them. And if you boast them way, they not good. A wickedness that. So, anybody when know the right sitting where them for do and not do it, a sin them a sin. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.